Welcome back to Not So Grand Garage. Today, out in the drive and taking a look at some new LED taillights for OBS Fords. These are supposed to be a plug-and-play deal. They plug directly into the taillight harnesses, no cutting, no nonsense. Have the resistors built in. So yeah, we'll give them a look and see how it goes. So, got them bolted in pretty well, a plug and play deal, and yeah, really easy to install. We'll see how they go over the next couple weeks. I'll run through the light sequence and see what we've got. That's our brake lights. We got tail lights.
So the tail lights are on.
And that is the final tail light. This stays lit after that sequence. How about brake lights? We got our center light there that lights up on both sides. And reverse lights with nice little LED reverse lights. And how about some hazard lights with the resistor that's built into these. You don't get the hyper flash or any of that nonsense. And yeah, they really cleaned up the back end of this truck. They look good. They definitely have that modern look to them. So yeah, we're just gonna let them ride. I'm not gonna wrap this video up here. I'm going to give this a couple weeks, see how they hold up to the rain and everything else, if we actually get any. We are in the dead of fall and the dead of a drought too. So we'll see if they get any moisture in them or anything like that, see how they hold up. And after that, I'll give you my thoughts on them. We'll see you in a bit. Well, we're back out here. It's been a couple weeks now, I'd say. And checking out our taillights here. We've had a lot of rain and everything else. We don't have any moisture. Nothing going on. Everything's held up really well. They're pretty bright. The backup lights are fairly bright. You want to kick the backup lights on? But yeah, overall, pretty impressed by them. Usually on these aftermarket lights, they'll get a lot of moisture and stuff like that built up in them. But so far, I'm not seeing any of that. And yeah, they look good and they seem to work. So hey, why not? We'll wrap this one up here. If you got any comments, questions, complaints, drop them in the comment section below. If you would, hit that thumbs up button. Helps us out quite a bit. It doesn't cost you anything. I'll drop a link to these in the video description, as well as a discount code, so be sure to check that out. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We appreciate you watching.